Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover GoTyme Bank account without a phone number. First, note down your GoTyme email or username and registered info. Keep a valid ID and recent transaction proof ready. Now, write down when and how you lost your phone or SIM. Check the app if logged in for account or phone number settings. Next, open in-app help or chat for recovery requests. If locked out, email support with ID and account details. Then, call the hotline or message official channels for quick help. Here, complete KYC verification like ID upload or selfie check. Ask your carrier to reissue your old phone number. If not possible, tell GoTyme and request alternate ID checks. After that, request an account freeze until your access is restored. If urgent, ask about branch visits or withdrawal options. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.